Hello everybody. Today we're going to do Introduction to Hypopressive, okay? Abdominal hypopressive means reducing the pressure in the cavity, abdominal cavity, to bring the organs in and up, everything that's putting pressure down, making our pelvic floor muscles weak. This exercise is going to help. Also, when we lose the strength in our pelvic floor muscles, there is not support there. So it's when we end up, especially after pregnancy, for example, we end up having, accidents, like when you laugh, when you cough. So this is going to help you with that. Also, when you have too much pressure in your abdominal cavity, is when the abdominal gets distended. So these exercises are going to help you to make the abdominal muscles stronger, to bring everything in and up, and to have a strong body and a flat tummy. Okay, so let's start. Here are my exercises. Okay, so the first one is about the position of your body. So the most important part is to feel, to connect with your body. So you are going to put your feet aligned with your hip. You are going to micro bend your knees. Okay, you are going to put your back, in neutral. So we tend to do this. So you're going to do this movement to bring your pelvis forward. So you see now it's neutral. Then you are going to bring your shin back. You will feel how these muscles get like stronger, right? Okay, you are going to be in that position, and then you're going to bring your arms to open your hands and bring it back. Keep that position, and I want you to stay in this position, bringing center of gravity. What I mean with that is bringing your butt back. And hold that position there. Connect with the feelings, connect with your body. Stay there. I'm going to give you verbal cues so you will be more in tune with what is happening in your body. So keep your abdominal muscles tight and your back neutral. Make a double chin. Bring shoulders down. Inhale deep. Exhale. Inhale, fill those lungs as much as you can. Exhale, empty your lungs. Keep this position. Inhale. Exhale. Excellent. In abdominal hypopressive, we use a breathing called apnea. Hold this posture while I'm telling you. Apnea means that we stop breathing, but this is something what we do blocking our breathing. So let me show you how it is. So when you inhale, then you exhale, you are going to cover your nose and your mouth after the exhalation, and then you're going to try to inhale again. But you are having your mouth and nose covered. So when you do that, what happened to the diaphragm? The diaphragm muscle is a very important muscle of the breathing, and that muscle goes like a tent here, right? So the muscle is very tight right now. That is why it also is helping to push the organs down and make us have a big belly. So when we relax the diaphragm and we hold the breath, we create a low pressure system in our abdominal cavity. So everything goes in. So I'm going to show you how it is. So we're going to try to stay in the same position, don't change it. You're going to start feeling the muscles burning, but you are getting more in tune with your body. So what you're going to do right now, we're going to go together with the breathing. Okay, take a break. If your knees are hurting, please send me an email and I will tell you what to do. Remember, I'm also a doctor of physical therapy, and I want you to do this exercise with the best body mechanical possible. I don't want you to get any discomfort, just the muscle pain, muscle soreness from working out, okay? But if you have a pre-existing condition related to knee problem, means that something else is out of balance. So please let me know so we make modifications. Okay, let's go with this. So I want you to go in this position, and we're going to start leaning forward, leaning back, leaning forward, leaning back. Be in tune with your body. If you want, close your eyes. Make sure that you're having a double chin. Make sure that you have a back neutral, so the hip is forward and the shoulders are back and down. Close those eyes. Transfer weight to the front of your toes. Transfer weight to the back, to the heels. Back and forth. This also is creating contraction of your muscles, and this is excellent exercise to make your bones stronger. And just keep doing this. Very good. This is just to feel, to connect with your body. Okay? Now we're going to change the position of our hands. So now you're going to go and rotate your hands until your thumbs are back. Okay, and hold it there. Keep going back and forth. The reason why we do this movement is because we are activating a muscle here called the serratus anterior, and that helps the diaphragm to relax. Okay. Okay. Just keep doing that. And now we are going to bring the right leg forward, keeping the hands like this. Right leg forward. Okay. And you're going to just do this movement. I'm not including the breathing today because I want you to feel your body first. This is more about foundation. So just you're going to do this movement, right? You know, we're doing it together, okay? Keep your left gluteal tight, double chin. When you start feeling burning sensation, you can take a break. Don't push it. And then switch legs. Left leg goes forward. Bend the right knee. When you do this movement, make sure to have the spine neutral. When you have your spine neutral, you can do a line perpendicular with the floor when I do this. So not like that, like this. Tie your right gluteus, spine neutral, hands rotate, double chin. And let's do oscillations, oscillations, oscillations. You are going to start feeling it. Shoulders down and back. You're doing a beautiful job. Oh, I feel it. Ah. Double chin is very important. Like someone is pulling you from here. This is also going to improve your posture. You will see, you will feel like taller. And relax. Oh, yeah, feel it. Now you're going to go on your knees. And in this position, your hands, you're going to put the third finger together. Again, we're going to focus on the foundation. So it's connecting to your body, connecting to your feelings. So when you do this, you're going to first bring this in neutral, bring the pelvis in. I will show you. In, like that. That means you tie your glutes. Then double chin. Then shoulders back and down. And then fingers, the third finger together. And you're going to go up. Keep going up. Keep going up. Keeping the double chin and the posture at all times. Up. And then you're going to try to lean forward and neutral, forward, neutral. Hands are going to be like you want to touch the ceiling, they're going to be flat. Okay, just notice that these went out of neutral, so just back and hold it, double chin. Let's do 10 of these. 1, 2, 3. Contract the gluteus. 4. Keep the double chin at all times. 5. Keep leaning forward like you want to go to test your balance. 6, 7. I have my feet, bent a little like this. That will help me. 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Now let's go and sit down. Okay. Let me put the camera down so you can see me better. Okay. So in here, you are going to be in this position, right? It's all about foundation. So we tend to do this, right? So you're going to try to be with the back straight, double chin, and hands flat, like you want to touch the wall like this, right? Double chin. And we're going to go up, 1, and down. Double chin, 2, and down. Contract abdominals, 3, and down, 4, and down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10. Excellent, very good. Now you're going to lie down. You're going to lie down like this. While you're lie down, you're going to put again the hands like this, but we're going to focus on neutral spine. So you see this? We don't want that. We want the back flat. Tie abdominals, double chin, and with the hands like this, we're going to bring the leg up, the other leg up, but I want you to make sure that the movements are very slow, keeping the back against the mat, double chin at all times, and your hands rotated, like you want to touch something flat, like they are flat from the head, so the same way. So remember, they go like this. Okay, ready? Let's go. Spine neutral, 1, double chin, 2, marching in place, 3, 4, tie abdominals, 5, 6, 7, double chin, 8, 9, and 10. Bravo! This is the beginning of your foundation, beginning of abdominal hypopressive. So then we're going to start combining these exercises with breathing. But just I want you to work on your foundation first, to connect with your body, to see what muscles are tight, what muscles are weak. So thank you so much for being here with me. I love you all, and see you again with more foundation exercises to make you beautiful, stronger, and with a beautiful posture and feeling great. I love you all.